Plus, we always will love the way he said, "That's amazing." I mean, come on. We all wish, though, that we had the chance to tell him how much we loved him and to say thank you, Huell, for sharing the stories and the glories of the greatest state in the country like nobody else ever before or after him. Not only for us today, but for people in the future who haven't even been born yet that will benefit from his work. His work does live on, and so does he. Huell, you enlightened us, you inspired us, and you made all of our California loving spirits soar. Huell, you are amazing.